Welcome back to my channel, Bethel Talks. YouTube ko scroll malamakan video kimwa. Bete tribe chungchang anita kyo min kian masani ngata kian masa malamakan kyo min zong reaction lang kinwa. Kyo honest reaction kyom thelam lamin hong petum kita. Imainit komlara mga kyong react rang masane mu masa initangit sukanre.
Have you ever heard of a tribe that once ruled their own little kingdom, followed their own chiefs, and lived high up in the hills, far away from the noise of cities? Let us take you into the world of the Biate people, one of the oldest and most fascinating tribal communities of northeast India. Who are the Biates? The Biate people are a small tribal community mainly found in Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, and Tripura. Though their numbers may be few today, their history is ancient and proud. The Biates are believed to have migrated from central China, traveling through Burma, now Myanmar, and finally settling in northeast India long ago, even before the 13th century. They speak the Biate language, a part of the Tibeto-Burman language family. It is a beautiful tongue, though sadly now spoken by fewer people, making it a treasure that must be protected. Life under the chiefs. Before the British came to rule India, the Biate people had their own traditional form of government. Each village was led by a chief, known as a Lal. These chiefs were not chosen through elections or politics, but inherited their position, and they ruled with wisdom and care. The Biates also had a council of elders called Thiampu, who helped the chief take decisions for the welfare of the community.
Video ito ang suamani Sonu Baroy. Sonu Baroy yung issue na 3 months ago. 3 months ago ngayon lang nita. Zuk penokre.
It was like a small kingdom of its own, self-sufficient and peaceful. Faith and transformation. For centuries, the Biates followed a traditional religion with deep connections to nature and spirits. But everything changed in the early 20th century when Christian missionaries arrived. The Biates slowly began to convert to Christianity, especially the Evangelical Church of Maryland. Today, faith plays a major role in Biate life. Their churches are not just places of worship, but also community centers where everyone comes together to sing, learn, and help each other. Festivals and culture. Like all vibrant tribes, the Biates love to celebrate life. Their most famous festival is Nulak, which is a harvest festival. It is a time of dancing, singing.
Most famous festival is Nulakatia,
which is a harvest festival.
Which is a harvest festival. Ai chai chi amani project athona hin le man in fel nom na nul din kut IT chia tak hi mani ma festival hi hancho machin nul din kut azuk sambana khan samitin no Nulakatia dang festival dang ini sam chure mga kama festival azuk sam tak Zue kan Christianity na iting kan bonita na hin biate hi ena eri ena sa khona ne Christianity wang chu kumrza lei so me thongchu tiang inita ganita bonita na ni thomi lai puishing no itin chu eri en tak tak chu kema muda na ta chu kema experience ki muda na nita hi rchor domna hi nei no in kan kiriat nita kasikin sa khwa hi min gamitirang puishing tingan kom se keima mit mo cho puishing mang me iti kha kerngai dan anita o kerngai dan atok non chu ani comment section he khan jong share unla kinwama irngai dan share sakna ga nanga kan share sakin ke thilhi share ani tin chu share isiam rani tin chu insiam ran ta chunul di good festival chetak festival zo ko sam khan nam in lungai lan ki nom neta juk tin san tak chu in lutino thu ni loin hi namdang koi ngai la sak hei hi roi tu hen sun ma tiang chu kemar ngai da na koi pui khai no se na biate nam singer tam tak hi oma ithoman mani rek opportunities peila opportunities pe ngai no sikin ke hiza ka biateram suin thiam na warna nei tu he hin in rilang narang mundi ka khan in rilang thengai no sikin mi hin nei riat ngai no neta hancho chinta ka executive ki nom so social media hi atra takanita asia takna atra takanita social media hin mizo he ena namilian he mizo he ena anni chu andro chor dom dan he mu dana YouTube he social media tiang Instagram Facebook YouTube WhatsApp he khan mu ngai neta kjuk tina san tak chu emni kom speaker tam tak he nei revival speaker kom tak tak he nei I thom ini chu mi hinan riat theno example Frederica kha speaker namna program he mo camping crusade mo an manga I thom manju ki koi imni speaker hizaka sinota khom in tama ithom minan koino itinjo social media mangdan neta social media hi platform khat ka mi in retu it's a global platform ainet YouTube hey Instagram hey Facebook hey aneta imni jo choi domno sikin kha ngametira mi khominan ne riat puino neta sun matiang chu hi wanglai he mo big takkan thoi thare roitu sun matiang roitu changrang zen nita mi atuna ta irsiam irsutin thanun chu Vietnam khom dokna khom ni theyati ki yama video hi short time ga juk en nokzal
It is a time of dancing, singing, feasting, and giving thanks for a good harvest. They also love folk songs and stories passed down from generation to generation. Even their traditional clothes, with bright colors and unique patterns, tell tales of their roots and
bright colors I ti ha and they do tam ka pangi hak hi me ke mizana no lingkut saipuma mga khan khom lom ka kasi hey zabdang hey an oman ner doncho which one is your real traditional dress anta samlang dan ra mga sancho isukti na sancho biate hi mizana kudang khan lom ka angoi bom lom ka dumi bom lom ka pink color bom lom ka shiny bom nitin te zadang ko manan confused ta kisukti na san tak cho ma asen hi nei korongai ti kitunga yama ma hi inunga khei nu hei ap hei in bom chit se an sika zukan sabun lang imagine lang ni komin hilamzo la khan omeila dorama enai hoirang na ancho tourist attraction khat kai ni chara ancho ko la khwa omhei khom ai attract rang ma video he ani kai rang tu lai cho social media ram mo ni chin video ai kan ta ramzo ata misan interview class so kan kizu ena sanghe kan kizu oma sangai tin kitiang stage nung ma tiang khan kin oma kizu ena reng kan ma asan hi bombang se inunga khain mo mani nupang tiang a hin bombang se idorama enai hoirang video shoot an ta mi khomin Vietnam advertise na khom ninga ti minan na riat puina rang khom ninga ti kingai dan aneta mi te kiti peka ane artam tu ka mi generation dang danga kha mi chu nu pangzia mi chu nga kanit ngakzia ne nole mi chu ulian hi thongai ti dungju khan gong ti pe ni khom khangan ke na khangan an khom that a en hoingir anong tia neta chu rechia manga kiti ga toki mai tok nom khom kha inom bang chu mi ma sen tak hi pang hin an sika hong bom se doram lamzol ko mai vorang a nai hoirang dan lesuk en noksel
colors and unique patterns tell tales of their roots and beliefs. A culture worth. Preserving the modern world is changing fast, and the Biates face challenges to protect their language, traditions, and identity. But the community
tuna chia taka protect the language, tradition and identity mi chu ei thon nang tak taka challenges ai face ta kai tin ni ta thuna khan the modern world is changing fast
and the Biates
Modern world is
face
changing
challenges
fast.
to protect their language.
Ramwal hi generation hi hung ma tiang hung fe mai ang ka khan e trong e nam in lut no dan he ngai thun chui sak om ta kan ta bing ke ni meglea khom hi reng pa kan chu ni maka o fen kan chu mani mi ka za tanga ele son mai khom hi chu e ru shu do kan nga hinga na hin nei thomen te mi khan ngaman nen lutra in nam asia in lutin chu e mini ata khai war ba kan nga mi komin respect anta angan bangke ka ati che ta ka atik tab we face challenges to protect their language tradition and identity in it na he e traditional e namzia he ne e trong he hi to ne hin e boy pui tak anita me chu e reshutin that nang iti anen riat oga
language, traditions, and identity. But the community is strong and proud. They continue to teach their children the old ways while also embracing education, modern professions, and global connections. Many Biates have now become teachers, doctors, artists, and even government officials.
Challenges say kaleng omngan khomse tun hin jo doctor he officer say tam tak ka e om ta ni ta ye hin malam thar ne la puyanti tun la wang laung thoi thar he officer ne ta ne asam thiang ne megla thiang hi e nin tamok ta kai lom om ta ka abi ki ni jak om tak chu i pa hi thiang hi air kaing kan ai om ta ni ta e nu pang thiang officer he line dang dang officer roi tu he an hong ni ti he hi e mo lom om tak taka hi an mani comment sun ma thiang chu e nam zia hi kam e chor tom rang dan hi suggestion he khom hi nong pengai she lom om bakati chu heglet tare
showing that ancient roots can grow into modern success. Final words, a lesson from the hills. The story of the Biate people is a story of courage, survival, and cultural beauty. From forest trails to church choirs, from village chiefs to college graduates, the Biates show us that even the smallest tribes have the biggest hearts. So the next time you think of India's diversity, don't forget the Biate, a tribe that whispers history in the wind and sings songs of hope in the hills. Because sometimes the most powerful stories are the ones waiting quietly to be heard. Are the ones waiting.
The most powerful stories are the one waiting quietly to be heard. Zuguti takacho Thantu roin pui tak ne Thantu roin pui tak hi ngana ne ngak trian na mi he riat ranga ne ngak trian for trian iti kha azugati anita stories mazugati takacho tak ni mo the most powerful stories are the one waiting quietly to be heard. Wang la her siap o kanang ta ka e nam zia ka e nam izia ka lung ram ni loin isa phunit na homer siap o kananga nolding kuthi e mangdan he siam min thatum ta ngai lan kinoma e thupui chi ata ka the renewal of life anita siam min thar narang anita siamin thar nai ti chu e omdan kanima ka e ngai to na hom siamin thar nanga isa khwa he e nit na e dan e Biate tribe e culture e tradition he kom in lut tak tak anang iti kha hi minute li ka toite minute li ka ne second som ka toya hin ani in shoot anita ke hom mai chu ki bangla champu he komen mai chu ma ne la pu yun la ki nom ta roi tu pam tak ka he BCO tiang mane ABSA tiang mane mai kom hin an nei lak pui man kan su ma tiang kom hin ka rat wala ne nei lak pui rang khan dit sakna ni ki lam no ko ni
waiting quietly to be heard.
Lom om tak taka e kana reaction video he khong tho he direct on the spot reaction he anita anjula subscribe no he komnin om du anjo ragawi taka ne subscribe pe ka e ne like pe ragin ne share pu ragin kinwa minita e Biate khwa he lam in lan jin he ki tu manita saron khwa ka khang mu ta kanita he video toy 10 minute ranga ongin lang anita nai pangte khom khanan na thuya ka min ken fe ngai makan ken chong ati ka makan ke homin video kong siam ni ta toy te kan chun ma te kom interview be kom long ni kita officer he kom antama anjo asam tiang he chu mel remun thein anjo hi video calling type in FaceTime in interview hi lahong lan lang kinoma roi tu tam tak ka khom no ma khitiang mi thiam mi war he ne hi thiam me kali ai kom pastor retired mo pastor lian tak tak he mo income malam me lag re Christianity ne sa khonit na ne ko sang rel bol ran dan he kom hi hong in relang ki tumani ta thianin thatin chu khai kom ka long hlukati ti ki tunga reaction video kong ne kom hi homin to re hin homin mong tang kita kilom tak tak